Welcome to Kimberly's tutorial. Today we'll be solving this exponential question gotten from Olympiad Mathematics. Now the question says 2 to the power of x divided by 12 is equals to 16. This 16 is like saying 16 over 1. Then let's cross multiply. So I have 2 to the power of x times 1 will give us 2 to the power of x is equal to 16 times 12. Now 2 to the power of x is equals to, I can break 12 down into 4 times 3. Now 2 to the power of x is equals to, I can break this 16 to 2 to the power of 4, then multiply this 4, I can break it down to 2 to the power of 2, then multiply 3. Now I have 2 to the power of x is equals to, I will obey the law of indices here. I will take one of the 2's, then I will add the powers. 4 plus 2 will give me 6, then times 3. Now I can divide both sides by 2 raised to the power 6. 2 raised to the power 6. So this will cancel this. Then I will have 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of 6 is equals to 3. Now I will obey the division law of logarithm, or rather indices. Okay, so this will take, I will take one of the 2's. I will now say x minus 6 is equals to 3. Now at this stage I will take the natural log of both sides, the logarithm of both sides. So I have the logarithm of 2 to x minus 6 as an entity is equal to log 3. Now I will obey the power law of logarithm. I will bring the power in front of the log, become x minus 6 log 2 is equals to log 3. Now at this stage I will divide both sides by log 2. So log 2 we cancel log 2. I will have here x minus 6 is equals to log 3 is 0.447 approximately, and log 2 is 0.301 approximately. So x minus 6 is equals to, when I divide this, I will have 1.585 approximately. Now my x become what? 1.585 plus 6. So the value of my x now is equals to 7.585. So this is the value of my x approximately. Now let's check if we are correct. From the question says, we want to check if we are correct. The question says x 2 to the power of x divided by 12 is equal to 16. We've established that x is equals to 7.585. So let's substitute x there. 2 raised to the power 7.585. Okay, this is 16. Divided by 12 is equals to question mark. Let's see if we can get 16. So when you use your calculator and press 2 to the power of 7.585, you will get 192 approximately, divided by 12. So when you divide this, you are going to get 16. So we are correct. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.